How can you create an effective technical support request? Your initial submission is the vital first step in getting an accurate and timely resolution to your design questions, issues, or other concerns. In this video, we will provide you with some helpful tips for communicating with us to prevent confusion and minimize the amount of back and forth communication that might delay your project's development. Be sure to also watch our Isolating Issues to Either Hardware or Software video on our Developer Help YouTube channel and subscribe to get notified when we publish new videos. When you need to contact our technical support team, we will be better equipped to respond quickly to your request when you provide as much relevant information as you can right from the start. We'll use the acronym S.H.A.R.E to describe the best process for creating your technical support request. S stands for Statement of the Problem or Request. You should provide a concise summary of your specific question or request and avoid submitting hypothetical questions. H stands for Help Needed. Tell us what type of support you need and provide any relevant information on your project's history and target application. You might need to ask for help with troubleshooting a problem, ask for advice on selecting new and alternative products, get guidance on a design question, request documentation or other collateral, share your feedback, or report an issue for product, service, or improvement. A stands for Actions Performed. Provide us with a list of the actions and tests you have performed so far. You can also describe what test and verification steps you have already performed, or what debugging techniques you have used to troubleshoot the issue. Include information on what isolation techniques you use to localize an issue to a very small area of the code or hardware. R stands for Records Collection. In your request, include the setup details, test logs, versions, and all relevant test results. Include a list of the reference resources that you used, including application notes, documentation, knowledge base articles, and links to other websites that you may have visited to get assistance with your issue. E stands for Escalation of Impact. Include information on the impact, time constraints, or urgency of your issue or request. Tell us how this issue will affect the progress of your project or operation. Please note that the information that you may need to share with us may vary slightly depending on the type of help you need. Here is a more comprehensive summary of how to create a request for the most common types of support issues. Asking for help in debugging or troubleshooting a design. It is important that you outline in simple steps the test procedure you use to reproduce the issue. This step can drastically minimize the time it takes us to understand the problem. It is crucial that you also include the setup details since they frequently hide an underlying problem. These details include schematics, block diagrams, code samples, error codes, and even photographs of your setup. You can also include information about the target application and the version of the testing environment you're using. In some instances, sharing third-party collateral might be useful. Finally, provide your test results, which can include personal observations, passing or failing history, and data such as waveforms, protocol analysis, and error logs. Requesting assistance with product selection. When asking for help in selecting a new or drop-in replacement product, include your design requirements and application, documentation related to the original device, and any website links to relevant resources to help us provide you with the most appropriate recommendations. If you have identified a potential replacement, please share any of your thoughts about its form, fit, and function compatibility. Seeking design guidance. You can contact us for guidance about your design using our products, and we will assist you through our free Design Check online review service. Design Check supports your design flow by providing guidance through the complete cycle, from initial schematic capture to PCB layout. You can submit your design schematic, PCB layout, and PCB routing information to a confidential and secure environment where they are analyzed by our engineers who will provide you with personalized feedback. Include block diagrams and information about your end application's design requirements, features, and functionalities to help us guide you. If you're using third-party collateral, please share it as well. Some of our product pages include design checklists in their documentation sections. You can complete and submit these design checklists with your request to help speed up the review process. Requesting product documentation or other collateral. You will find most product documentation on a specific device's product page on our website. If you cannot find the information you need, please provide a detailed description of the type of documentation or collateral you are looking for. You can also include information on the device, hardware, and software you are using. For software-related requests, include the software versions and the target applications to help us locate the right files for you. If you need design files, include the model number, part number, revisions, and a complete description of the product. If you need a report that is not available online, please indicate which type of report you need and why you need it so we can try to assist you. You may also need to ask for clarification of existing information or assistance in finding data within a document. If any documentation contains conflicting information, please provide links to the documents, the version numbers, the sections, and page numbers where this information is found, and screenshots of the content. You may also quote conflicting statements. Providing feedback or reporting an issue with a product or service. You may want to give us feedback on our products or services, want to report a silicon or quality-related issue, a software bug, or something else. In these instances, please include a helpful description of the issue and summarize what you believe should be done. For example, if you would like us to confirm or replicate an issue you've encountered, provide us with step-by-step instructions on how to replicate the problem. If you would like to recommend that some edits be made to a web page, provide the page's URL and details on where the edits should be made. We value your feedback and will do our best to correct any issues that arise with our products or services. Remember, technical support and information we share, including recommendations for device selections, are provided for your convenience. It is your responsibility to ensure that your selection of products and software meet your requirements when used within their operating specifications. Use of Microchip products and software is governed by the Microchip Terms and Conditions of Sale, found at microchip.com/legal. Thanks for watching.